Have you ever wondered what happens to your body when you plank for 5 minutes every day? Planking, folks, is more than just a passing fitness trend. It's a powerhouse exercise that's earned its stripes in the fitness world, and for very good reason. You see, planking is like that unassuming superhero in disguise. It might look simple, nothing more than maintaining a push-up-like position, but don't let that fool you. It's a full-body workout that packs a punch. The benefits of planking are manifold. It's a ticket to improved posture, standing taller and prouder. It's a gateway to increased flexibility, bending and stretching with greater ease. And let's not forget, it's a path to enhanced core strength, giving you that much coveted stability and balance. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. So what exactly happens when we dedicate 5 minutes of our day to this exercise? Let's uncover the mystery. When you hold a plank, every major muscle in your body is engaged. Yes, you heard that right. Planking isn't just a test of your willpower, it's a total body workout. Now let's dive deeper into how this simple exercise impacts different muscle groups. Starting with the abdominals, planking is a fantastic way to build a strong core. Your rectus abdominis, often known as the six-pack muscles, and your obliques on the sides of your abdomen are put under constant tension during a plank. This tension helps tone these muscles and enhance their endurance. Moving upwards, your shoulders also get a good workout. You're essentially holding up your body weight on your arms and shoulders, which helps strengthen these areas and improve their stability. This can benefit you in numerous daily activities, from lifting groceries to playing sports. Now let's not forget about the back and glutes. A proper plank engages your entire back, from your latissimus dorsi to your erector spinae. This can help improve your posture and reduce the risk of back pain. As for your glutes, they play a vital role in maintaining your body's balance during a plank. Hence, they too get a good workout. In essence, the constant tension that planking creates promotes muscle growth and improves endurance. So, every time you're holding that plank, remember, you're not just sweating it out, you're sculpting your body, one muscle group at a time. Now that we understand how planking impacts our muscles, let's move on to its effects on our metabolism. Planking doesn't just build muscle, it also revs up your metabolism. How, you may ask? Well, the intense muscle activity during planking increases your metabolic rate. This means that your body burns more calories throughout the day, even when you're not exercising. Picture this, your body is like a car engine. The more you run it, the more fuel it needs. The fuel, in our case, is calories. So if you're planking regularly, your body is constantly running, burning more and more calories. This increase in calorie burn can contribute significantly to weight loss and improved body composition. You start to lose fat and gain lean muscle, creating a stronger, more defined physique. But that's not just it. The metabolic boost from planking also has other benefits. It can improve your energy levels, enhance your mood, and even boost your immune system. So planking not only makes you stronger, but also helps you burn calories. But that's not all. Let's delve into its impact on your bone health. Planking is a weight-bearing exercise, and these types of exercises are great for our bones. Now, why is that, you may ask? When we undertake weight-bearing exercises, we're actually stimulating the cells responsible for producing new bone tissue, known as osteoblasts. This process is called bone remodeling, and it's crucial to maintaining the strength and density of our bones. Picture this. Our bones are living tissues that constantly break down and rebuild. When we plank, the pressure we put on our bones triggers the osteoblasts to kick into high gear and start producing more bone tissue. This helps to keep our bones strong and healthy, and can even help to prevent conditions like osteoporosis, which is characterized by weak and brittle bones. So, planking every day for 5 minutes can make your muscles stronger, boost your metabolism, and strengthen your bones. But remember, consistency is key. So, to sum up, planking for 5 minutes daily can be a game changer. It enhances your muscles, turning them into powerhouses of strength and endurance. It fires up your metabolism, helping you burn calories even when you're resting. Plus, it fortifies your bones, making them stronger and more resistant to injuries. So, why not give it a try? Start planking for 5 minutes every day and see the changes for yourself. Remember, your body will thank you.